Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do we're gonna make a creature out of a notebook. So yeah, we have a notebook, and what we're gonna basically do is we're gonna like paint the cover, maybe. I think so because there's white on it, and we're going to put glitter on it. And we're gonna put some googly eyes. So first, we're gonna mix black and turquoise together. We're gonna do that too. And then we're gonna do this. Okay, so we got this little square kind of shape that we have to fill in. Okay, there. Now we have it mostly filled in. So now just kind of going over the places. Okay, so I put 2 coats on total, and the paint is still a little bit wet. So right now I'm just gonna put on some blue glitter. So let's sprinkle this on. I hope it sticks with the paint. I think it will. It's so cool. It's like putting on sprinkles on my painted cake. I'll put a little silver on. Well, that came out good. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm gonna blow dry it. Let's kind of make this dry faster. Now it's dry thanks to our amazing hair dryer that is used for tons of different things. And now this is all dry, and we got all sparkle glitter stuff all over it. I have some like googly eyes, so I think I'm gonna put some like googly eyes on it, glue gun. And so I think maybe, let's see, yeah, I'm gonna start gluing the eyeballs on, my many eyeballs. I'm a collector of eyeballs. Okay, so this green is very neonish, but it will be fine. Just gonna use like a little sponge thing. Yeah, it's like a sponge. And we're just gonna dip it in. Then right now we're just gonna make the Hi, Abe. Hi. That's my little brother, Abram. And so right now we're just kind of painting the body shape. And using a sponge, for me, I kind of like it because it kind of makes the little bubbles and stuff. So if you're doing like a monster, like I am, it kind of, I don't know the word, it just kind of makes a cool,
gives it texture.
Yeah, texture. My friends are gonna love this.
I wanna do it, Jessie.
Sorry, Bob. Maybe after this, I can help you. I'm making the body, and I kind of think I'm done. Just gonna throw the sponge in there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is it kind of just looks like a green blob, so I'm gonna, actually no, instead of using black, okay, I still have some leftover paint from the background right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some on a thin brush. I'm gonna dip it in, and I'm gonna kind of make the body shape, like outline it. So that, I think, looks good. There, that looks pretty good. So I just put the eyes where I think I'm gonna do it, and I just kind of made a little mouth that will do more things with later. And this little one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a bow. So I'm gonna make a, do I have red? I think, yeah, I have a red. I'm gonna put the little sponge like right here. And I'm gonna then put it right here and take this one and dab it kind of on this towel that I have here that's laying. I'm also gonna put it in here and it's gonna kind of make a bow. Tie there. You just kind of like do that. And we can also outline it later on too. Maybe we could add a little light green. So now with my monster, with the bow, I decided I'm gonna sprinkle some glitter. Just to make it shine. Then maybe some glitter on the monsters. Also, make sure you're careful with a glue gun because it is hot. And if you're younger, you probably would want an adult's help. I remember when I was little, I wanted to make Barbie clothes and it worked. But as I used my glue gun, I kind of hurt myself very badly. Okay, I think it's dry enough that I can kind of put a little mouth right here. So that's the little one. The big one's kind of like, ah. So now this, as you can kind of tell, it's like a little boy with a bow tie and stuff. So we're gonna make this look like the mom and put a little bow here. I'm gonna make a little circle here for the big bow, and then a little circle here for the center, and then another. And then what you can also do is mine, it looks kind of like a bow, but what I'm going to do to make it look more like a bow is this. There. Outlining it can always help you with painting, especially if you're trying to do something very detailed and it is kind of not, working out. You can just outline. And this is just what we use for the background. We're gonna kind of put it here. Make a little stick arm. And then this one will be reaching his hand out. Little hands, yeah. So now we're just gonna be using some black to make some feet, like legs. So there is his feet. And this is gonna be this guy's feet, well, girls. This lady's feet. That sounds kind of weird. This lady's feet. It's not exactly dry completely yet, so I'm just gonna take some red glitter and you know what I do. I just, from this glitter, this From this video so far, you can probably tell I just put glitter on everything so far. So we have to have glitter. No, I'm gonna just put like green right there, and then I'm gonna like start eyeballs. Put a little blue in it. That should, I don't know. What the last and final thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this together first. And then I'm gonna put it like for his hair. Has a little, his head. That looks so cute. This one reminds me of Levi, the little neighbor boy. His hair, little curls, yeah. That would work all over. I probably won't add any glitter to their hair though. How much black?
We have a lot orange. That's quite good.
Okay. So just gonna mix this up. Working? Yeah, it's kind of a barf color. My teacher at school, she said for the whole year she doesn't want to hear the word poop or pee. Because at school a lot of the kids like to talk about their cats pooping and peeing on the floor. This kind of reminds me of like Elmo or something. Yeah, matching bows and stuff. Now we have the blow dryer friends here again. And for the last thing, we're just gonna kind of go over it and blow dry it. Okay, this is gonna be amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video where we made a DIY notebook cover. I think it turned out to be pretty cute. And I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you could have followed along. Comment down below if you like this video, and please do hit the like button and subscribe. Click the notifications, and also one thing. I got 1 subscriber and 2 likes on one of my videos. I'm so excited, so you can make me even more excited by hitting the subscribe button and commenting down below that you did all that stuff. And if you like this, and if you have any other ideas that I could do for like drawing and painting and stuff, and I would love that. So thanks for watching.